Welcome to your daily meditation on the power of the subconscious mind and financial prosperity. Today, we will explore the profound connection between your subconscious mind and the manifestation of wealth in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Release all the tensions of the day. Feel relaxed and open to receive the wisdom of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile garden. Every thought is a seed. Plant thoughts of prosperity and abundance and water them with belief. Visualize your life filled with wealth now. See yourself achieving your financial goals, enjoying financial freedom, and helping others. Feel gratitude flowing through you. Be thankful for the blessings you've already received and those that are on their way. Understand that your subconscious mind is a powerful force. It acts in accordance with the thoughts and beliefs you nurture. Repeat daily, I am deserving of wealth. My subconscious mind guides me to prosperity. I am abundance. Now, take a deep breath and open your eyes. You are in control of your financial destiny. Cultivate thoughts of prosperity, believe, and take action. Be the author of your financial success story. Continue to practice this meditation daily. And for more insights and guidance on financial prosperity, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity. There, you'll find inspiring content to help manifest your financial dreams. Thank you for meditating with us today. Remember, wealth begins in the mind. Until the next meditation, peace and prosperity.